In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can survive 99 nights in the forest. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is a pretty straightforward strategy. If you follow it correctly, you'll massively increase your chances of reaching day 100 and rescuing all 4 missing children. But obviously the goal of 99 Nights in the Forest is to survive long enough to rescue everybody. I've went ahead and broken this game into 3 different phases. Let's go ahead and start with phase number 1, which is days 1 through 5. And this is all about speed and setup. Essentially, you're going to want to upgrade your fire immediately by chopping up small trees first, since they give you 3 logs each, rushing the campfire to level 4 as fast as possible, because it's going to expand the safe zone and reveal more of the map. From here, you're going to want to follow the bunny foot meta, which essentially means you're going to want to hunt bunnies on day 1, get a bunny foot, trade it to the pelt trader on day 2, and this will unlock the good sack, which increases inventory space, because extra space is critical for carrying fuel early on. There's some non-negotiable tools that you're going to want as well. A map, obviously, because it's going to show you cabin locations. A sundial as well, because it's going to tell you when night is approaching. And then, of course, for base defense, make sure that you do not burn all saplings and you plant them tightly around your base. Saplings essentially act as an indestructible barrier that cultists struggle to pass. Now, for the next phase, which is 6 through 20 in terms of days, it's time to automate your survival. Begin by rescuing the first child, which is the dino kid. Every kid that you rescue is going to increase the day multiplier up by 8%, which is going to make your nights pass so much faster, meaning you obviously reach day 99 in less real world time. To automate your fuel, you have 2 different options. You could do an oil drill or a biofuel processor. Either of those works. And for your food setup, what you're going to want to do is build farm pots as soon as possible. Craft a crock pot, turn carrots into stew. Stew is going to restore a lot of hunger and it's going to sit in its own inventory slot, saving space. But it's time to talk about phase 3, because this is the long haul right here, days 21 through 99. And this is where the difficulty definitely ramps up quite a bit. For combat, use the spear. It is so reliable, especially in early game. During raids, kill the red cultists first, since they are the most dangerous. If you are using ranged weapons, swap weapons while reloading to instantly refresh your ammo. And in terms of base defense, use log walls or range shelters to funnel enemies into choke points. Do not use shelves. Cultists can just jump over them. Compact, controlled defenses are so much easier to manage than large bases. But that is it. That is how you could survive 99 nights in the forest efficiently and safely. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.